this is the bow that I made the other day. I actually recorded it and did a little tutorial, so if you hadn't seen it, go check it out. It has actually gotten lots of views, and so if you use this method, let us know. Hey guys, come with me as I make a really pretty bow for summertime with our M's Bowmaker and these really fun turquoise and hot pink ribbon styles. So I'm just starting out with my turquoise plaid on the bottom, and then I'm going to work my way in with my floral ribbon and then my pink styles all the way up to my 7/8 inch, which is my smallest width ribbon. Now this part is completely up to you and your preference, how long you want your tails to be and how big you want your loops. And so now I'm going in with the floral ribbon. This is such a gorgeous ribbon style for the summertime, all the bright fun colors. But of course this type of recipe can be used for any type and style of bow. If you're still working on summer, or if you're already moving into fall, or if you're kind of taking a break and just doing like an everyday moment in your home or for your customers. This works with all different ribbon styles. Just wanted to mention that this is the M's Bowmaker that we are using. We do sell these at Trendy Tree. This is very similar to an Easy Bowmaker. This one just is collapsible, so it has hinges, and you can screw and unscrew your dowels to store it well or use it when you're traveling. So that's why we really love this one. But this works with any Bowmaker, or if you prefer to make bows with your hands, this method works that way as well. So I'm just going to keep on working. You're going to see with this 7/8 ribbon, it is a double-sided ribbon. It's a dupioni on one side and a embossed on the other side. You're going to see that I just kind of alternate so that I'm getting to see both sides of my ribbon. The good thing about making bows is you can make them as large or as small as you want to. That is completely customizable, which is something that's so great when it comes to bow making. And lastly, we're just going to secure our bow, and we're going to get it all fluffed out, and it'll be ready to go on your project, whether that's a wreath, a swag, a mailbox, a lantern, anything like that. So if you enjoyed this little short tutorial, make sure to follow us at Trendy Tree. We do sell all the supplies to make beautiful bows, and we have some tutorials as well. Thank y'all.